Hey, what's going on everybody? I'm back with my first ever brand partnership. I'm so excited to team up with Into the AM, a clothing company that specializes in high quality men's clothing and fashion. Their clothing includes the basics, the essentials for a day out and about, and even for those special nights. I was lucky to get sent 2 of these everyday basic tees, and let me tell you, these are really nice. The shirt is made of 60% cotton and 40% polyester and has a really soft feel. It's breathable and apparently doesn't shrink, which is awesome. These should definitely last longer than standard 100% cotton tees. This material definitely matches the quality from brand names such as Nike, Adidas, Champion, etc. Each shirt also comes with a sticker, which is amazing. I love stickers. I'm putting this on my camera case. This color is a nice navy blue which matches my face mask, glasses, phone, and skateboard. They also have plenty of more colors on their site, link in the description below, and use my code for 10% off. They also have their Black Friday sale going on, so check out their site for even more deals. All that's left now is to go out and rock the shirts. I feel like I need some cranberry juice right now. If you like this video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what you think of this and the shirts. I got a lot more coming very soon, and please check out my link for the shirts to get a discount. Trust me, it's really worth it. Stay safe. Catch you guys in the next video.